sharing. And listen, I got somebody awesome here, all right? You might know him from the IG. This is Dave at Apology Biology, everybody.
Yeah, you all know that I love animals and I love raising awareness. So for this fundraiser today, I brought some pictures of the creatures that we're going to be giving some dough to, all right?
We're going to save the cute ones.
Yeah. All the cute ones, right, yeah. So, ugly animals need saving too. It's like a true thing. Like, you love cute animals, right? Like, for instance, this panda right here, right? Yeah! Man, cute panda, right? But do pandas live a solitary lifestyle? No, there are more ugly animals than cute animals in the entire world. A vast majority of the globe is encompassed by optical abominations. So, this panda bear is part of an ecosystem. It's everything living together. It's not just the panda bear, it's not just the bamboo, but there's other guys living there too, like this guy right here. That's a ferret. Yeah, ferret and badger, it's like ugly times ugly.
I don't like ferrets. I don't like ferrets, man.
I know. So just because this animal looks like a squirrel and a rat were tied for last place in an ugly contest, and the judges are like, fuck it, they both lose, that it doesn't deserve a habitat just like the panda bear too, okay?
No. Please, get that off.
All right, fine, let's go around the world.
That's who we're going to be saving today, all right, everybody? Yes, that cutie patootie.
My bad, that's the wrong seal. Just because this seal's nose looks like your grandfather's knee doesn't mean that him and all of the chin-sitting friends don't deserve to live, right? Like, so next time you got a little bit of extra cash, everybody, you want to give it to a panda, save a little bit of it and then give it to an I don't feel relevant seal.
Oh my God!
Oh, you're talking about this little demonic the hedgehog? He spends his whole life searching for worms on the forest floors of Madagascar, right? But he can't do that because of deforestation. So you're saying that he should die just because he looks like baby's first punk rock show?
Reject.
Yeah, you're totally right, exactly. This pathetic pincushion? Oh, fine. And it's all because every time you want to do a home reno, you're like, ooh, I need exotic hardwoods. It's your fault.
Renovate my pottery room.
What about this rock that needs water to breathe? That's threatened right now, but even just a 1 degree Celsius temperature change is going to destroy this wart with a soul's place to live. So, like, honestly, I don't think it should die just because it looks like Grumpy Cat's gallbladder. Oh, the aye-aye? Aye-aye-aye is more like it, right? Aye-aye, want to poke out my aye-ayes.
That thing needs to die.
Well, too bad, because it'll live forever as it haunts your dreams. I mean, it doesn't deserve to die just because it looks like you just caught it digging your toenails out of the garbage.
It has such an ugly face.
Oh, you think the face is ugly? There's 2 types of people in the world. People who are focused on the face, the other ones who can't take their eyes off its creepy freaking hands. It still needs to be saved. Save ugly animals, right? Oh.
Yeah. Everybody, this is what I'm talking about, okay? Look at that. It's so fluffy, that's precious.
You think these great Potu baby chicks are cute?
Yeah.
They should live their happy lives and then grow old and have fun, right?
Yeah.
But you know what they look like when they get old? They look like they were reading a book report and then they Potu'd their pants. Yeah, just wait till you see what's next. Don't worry, made from a Whole Foods fruit by the foot?
That needs to go. I don't, bats are not my thing.
They're not your thing? That's not even the worst part of this, okay? Here.
Whoa, dude, you cannot show that.
Chill out, that's its tongue. That's what's hiding behind that creepy face that you just saw that looked like a little kid drew it from a memory they never had. I get it. You might have some people watching who might be a little sensitive, so you want to see something better, like a picture of a dolphin or something?
Yes, yes. I
Here you
love
go.
dolphins. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Okay, I think I get it now. Okay? Just because this dolphin looks like an unsolicited dick pic that's sliding into my DMs doesn't mean it shouldn't be safe.
Exactly!